Hello class 8th student, it's a part 6 chapter 1st revision. Here we discuss the exercise G. Answer the following question in detail. In the question 1, you have to differentiate between all three which are given here A, B, C. So let's discuss the first one, manure and fertilizers. What are the difference between manure and the fertilizer? Manure can remove the general deficiency of nutrients as it improves the soil fertility. So manure can remove the general deficiency of nutrients of the soil but cannot add specific nutrients, while the fertilizers add specific nutrients to the soil. Okay. These fertilizers do not add the humus to the soil, but the manures add humus to the soil. Fertilizers can change the soil structures. Do not add humus can change the soil structure. Here, the humus, the manure which improve the soil fertility and add humus to the soil. The first change. Second, in the humus improve the general deficiency of the soil, but the fertilizers used for a specific nutrient deficiency. The third point is this: it is not easy to store, transport and add to the soil. Means manures are not easy to store, transport and add to the soil, while fertilizers are easy to store, transport and add to the soil. The next change is the difference is absorbed slowly by the plants. These manure is absorbed slowly by the plant as they are not water soluble. These are not water soluble. Bacteria in the soil have to convert them into water soluble minerals. While we talk about the fertilizers, so they are readily absorbed with the water. They are easily absorbed by the plant as they are water soluble. So these are some differences between manure and fertilization. One more important thing, that fertilizers are harmful to the aquatic animals and the plants, and these are not eco-friendly. While we talk about the manure, so manure are eco-friendly. They are not harmful for the aquatic animal, plants and environment. B is give the difference between pesticides and weedicides. So pesticides are used to kill the pest, which are the harmful organisms which eat our crop, okay, which feed up our crop. And the weedicides are the chemicals which are used to kill the weeds, and weeds are the unwanted plants, and the spraying of these weedicides kill these weeds. So there is a difference between the pesticides and weedicides. And these pests are the any kind of the microorganism. These are living microorganisms, and but weeds are the plants. Weeds are the unwanted plants. Clear? Give the next difference between winnowing and threshing. Here the process of separating the grains from the chaff, its outer covering. The process of separating the grains from the chaff is known as a threshing. This can be done manually by beating the harvested crop on the hard surface. You can see this in the diagram also, that it's a hard surface and the lady is beating them, and after that it will be cleaned from the chaff. It is known as threshing. Or it be done by the letting animals such as the buffalo walk over them. If animals like buffalo walking over them, then it would also be separated. In large farm, a machine is used that is known as thresher for the threshing. And while we talk about the winnowing, the grain has to separate from the chaff, and it done by the process of winnowing. Here you see the process of winnowing. that from a height the grains are poured down. So in this method, the grains are dropped from a height. As the grain are heavier, they fall straight. As they are heavier, they fall straight to the ground, while the husk being lighter, and husk is lighter in weight, so it will blow away and form a separate heap at some distance. Thank you, class. We continue in the next part.